Thank you.
Second question.
Okay, go ahead, Bibian.
You did mention na parang patuloy pa rin, tama ba? Yung mga investigasyon ng Quadcom, I mean, separate yung investigations ng Quadcom and ng Good Government on the OVP confidential funds. But sa schedule this week, parang wala pa po ako nakitang schedule ng hearing this week, whereas in the past, parang every week may hearing.
Well, it also depends kasi on the availability of our resource persons eh. So once we schedule the Quadcom, once we schedule the next committee persons, kasi of course, kailangan mong pag magkukwad ka, maghihiring ka, kailangan lahat ng tatanungin mong tanong at yung dapat na tanunging tao ay nandoon. So yung scheduling naman is, I guess, wala pa, it's not official, but we're looking at possibly this within the week. No? Magkakaroon po ng continuation of the hearing ng Quad.